In this lesson, we will cover how to customize your shell prompt. As you seen earlier in this course, default prompts can vary from system to system. No matter what shell you are using, you can customize your prompt by setting an environment variable. For shells like bash, sh, and sh, the environment variable is ps1. This ps1 is used to set the primary prompt string. For shells like CSH, TCSH, and ZSH, they use a prompt environment variable. The format stream in place in an environment variable determines the look and feel of your prompt. Each shell uses slightly different format strings, so consult the documentation for the shell that you are using. Let's look at the customizing the bash prompt. Since Bash is the most popular default shell for user accounts on Linux systems, these are some of the most commonly used formatting stream options for Bash. Here, /d will give you the date in the weekday, month, date format, and slash lowercase h will give you the host name up to the first dot or the short host name, and slash capital H will give you the fully qualified domain name of the server, and backward slash n will give you a new line so you can have a multi-line prompt. And slash lowercase t will give you the current time in 24-hour format, while slash capital T will give you the current time in 12-hour format. And slash ampersand will give you the current time in 12-hour format with AM and PM included. Slash capital A will give you the current time in 24-hour format just using hours and minute format. Slash lowercase u is the username of the current user. Slash w, which is lowercase, is the current working directory. And slash capital W will give you the base name of the current working directory instead of full path. Slash dollar will let you know if you are a normal user, or it will display if you are a super user or a root. If you are using any root account, it will display a pound symbol. For a complete listing of all the formatting options, you can see the bash man page, so that in that you will get more options to use. Here I have listed few only. To make your customized shell prompt persist, add the PS1 value to your personal initialization files. Personal initialization files are commonly referred to as a dot files. Since they begin with a dot or a period, you could also use Nano, VI, or Emacs to edit your bash profile file. This example just uses echo to accomplish the same thing. Let's look at our current. This is a AWS server party. Let's look which string has been used. Echo dollar yes1. Here U is the username and H host name, and capital W is the current working directory. Let's change it in some way. Let's set it to username slash username at the rate slash home and slash dollar. You have observed that it was changed. Previously, it was like this, but we have customized it as per our requirement. It was changed. Let's add time to our prompt. PS1 time slash t. T is a time and slash u user and slash host name and working directory dollar and click on enter. Here tilde symbol represents the home directory. You can see it was customized accordingly. Time and followed by the user, host name and working directory. Now let's go to var file. Let's change the directory to var slash log to practice the base name. Click on enter. It was now we are in slash var slash log. That is our current working directory. This is our current working directory. And let's use base names for directories this time. Which means bs1 equals to slash d slash capital head because we are changing the base name, right? Dollar. And ends with quote and see, when we change it to when we change it to var log, it was displayed the before it was displayed full path. But when we have customized, it was displaying only the log. Let's go to home directory. If we want to persist changes between logins, we need to put these in our personalization file. Here, personalization file is .bash profile. Right? Let's edit that file. Vi tilde slash forward slash dot file name. So this is a bash profile file. We are in insert mode. Let me maximize it. We are in insert mode. We are in insert mode. Now I'm just customizing. I'm just adding a command. Now we'll set the environment variable. Just set to this to show that it's going work. Slash u slash and hit slash hit slash W and close the bracket and then ends with dollar. Let me save this file and check whether this is working as expected or not. Now let me log into other session to get the updated changes. Easy to hide. See, previously it was Let me show like this. Previously, it was time and the host name and the present working directory. Now we have customized it like this, right? So it was displaying. Now let's do one more thing. Let's make multiple line prompt. Yes, one slash d slash n. Mm, let me show one in one line and other in one line. Let me execute this and explain. See, click on enter. You can see that every time that we hit enter, we get a new prompt with current time on line one and the normal prompt on second line. Shell prompts can be customized by setting an environment variable. This can differ from shell to shell. Lots of shell use PS1, others use prompt. To save your custom shell prompt between logins, you need to add that environment variable setting to your personal installation files, like I have shown, such as bash profile. See you in the next session.